People, wagwan. What is going on? My lovely videos and my subscribers around the world, guys. I'm happy for the talk to you. Happy Sunday. Hope you guys have a wonderful day so far. Eat up the rice and peas, eat up the ice cream, rock and come in, drink some liquor, have some good time. Because tonight, boy people, I come to expose the wicked them on social media again. Now, guys, big up the Planka Boss and the whole crew. Big up to Miss Lothian. I heard that there was a fish fry because they kind of busy for the whole weekend, so I never really know what I go on, people. But when I log on social media, I realize that some fish fry thing I go on, and I don't know if it keep on Miss Lothian or where it keep, but something like that, people. So big up to everybody who went out there and give them support to Planka Boss and Miss Lothian. It's a good look. But guys, today I come to talk about none other than tough face, broad back, donkey foot, Lorraine Campbell Brown. Now people, remember now, Lorraine have a page on YouTube named Lorraine versus Scammer Donna. Now Lorraine make a different page. Listen me people, listen me keenly. But just a showing you know, and I showing all them people that are wicked on social media now. All them build page just to bring down 99. Now this page named Tiffany Isaac exposing Scammer Donna lies. Now, the individual that made that page, I will know Sir Lorraine. For those who don't know, Tiffany Isaac is a page over Facebook that Lorraine used to put up videos talking about 99. That for showing all the lady extra obsessed over 99. Imagine a Sunday, you know. Sunday when you feel you had cook your Sunday dinner, rub down your husband back and a bust to bump in them face, you do something nice. Lorraine, the media, I put up video of the past when Donna get buried and many other things. Lorraine, let me ask you a question now, Lorraine. I wondered to myself saying if you really married a wine or you just married to Steve because you can get a house or you can catch it, not even get a house. You can catch in somewhere in America. You don't have nothing more for the Lorraine. Give me items today Sunday and you can't clean up the cobweb them out of your cupboard. Eh? You can't go move the rat shit them or the rat them shit up over your place. You time it up on social media and talk about 99 and put up video and all these things. There's nothing more to do. Me always I wonder to myself saying what is wrong with this big woman on social media? Eh? When you get 24 hours every day, I don't waste 12 hours of it talking about someone who they wear it. I don't know. Look pound. Me notice that only, you know, when you spend most of the time talking about Donna more than what is currently going on in America. Look how much things is going on in America with Trump and the whole different law and all these things. I notice only now come on the media and talk about that. But there's something about Planka Boss, so if you come out and talk about it. Eh? Lorraine, let me ask you a question again. The time you're on social media and I waste so much of your life, but you know you're not get back. Eh? You're going to spend some quality time with your husband and your family. You see? Nothing but the simple things that matter, you know. I say the moment you start to waste time, it nah come back. So you see you right about now, anything at all reach in your life and thing, nobody must feel sorry for you. You are wicked, Lorraine. I hears you fight the woman. There's nothing to win, Lorraine. There's nothing to gain. Just throw in the towel and leave the woman alone. Because there's nothing at all where you're going to win. You search and search and search. You come like a man where you search him woman phone every day. Every day I search him woman phone just the evidence. And him not find nothing. And every day him knock the woman. Every day him knock the woman to she have a man. So she have a man out there. And him not see no evidence none at all and thing. That is how Lorraine stay. Look, she has search, and she now find no evidence and she still has search. See me, Lorraine, let me say this to you. Sometimes I wonder to myself saying, if you really have sense in Lorraine, or you just step on the media so much time, Lorraine. There's nothing more to do, Lorraine. Think about this. You have a husband who need him service. See me? The man want front. The man want other things. You see me? You have other family members who want you, and you spend so many of your friggin' time talking about a woman when you know you from nowhere at all. Lorraine, let me say this to you again. No wonder why you want speaker mash up. You know, say speaker do for your thing over for your page. The man busy about you. Because the man probably realize say, yo, you's a waste girl. Lorraine, come on, man. Come on. You make social media look a weird big man thing. Look in yourself. Drop your socks. Change your ways. You just step on the media so that chat all kind of bullshit, Lorraine. You know, sister, your life I got in a drain. You try to bring down leggy, and a year yourself I go down. A year yourself I get exposed day by day. What me say? I get exposed. Everything that is about you. You is the main hater for 99% social media. And you spread all kind of rumors about the woman. You put out a different video. So if Donna make any mistake in the past, so you just do the charity. You use them video there and put on the channel just to build the channel. Then if you just strike down the channel right away, strike it down. Strike it down. Because you see with you is nothing but a waste girl. What you get from all of this, when you do this for years, on top of years, what you get from it? Enjoyment, money. There's no evidence against the lady name. You want for years that the woman get arrested for scamming, you feel comfortable. And they tell your people, them say, yeah man, that's what I was talking about. But it not gonna happen, Lorraine. It not gonna happen. You see me? Because you see, the more you come out and the more you talk the most things about the lady, is the more the woman are gonna be head of you. The woman now look at you, Lorraine. You know, shame like a dog. You know, realize, say, yo, so you know, make no sense. You know, realize, say, there can be peace on social media if people like you decide to stop what you do. But you still insist, boy, you want prove something to the world. Yeah, man, I want to prove this and I want to prove that they're not scamming anymore. There's nothing to prove. There's nothing to win here, so. There's no win, there's no, there's no win, there's no lose. It's all about the right thing. And you know the right thing already. You know, so the woman not involved in a scamming thing. You still try as much as you can. I don't make a video now. I say 19 I get the most fight on social media. I'm not telling a lie. Most person did agree what I was saying. You see me? So you see a moment when you decide, say, boy, you come out and you burn a fire upon the lady and do what you want to do one thing and do a business. You make it sad for yourself. Because the woman does be real. I only don't like the woman because the woman real. Whenever the woman get the money from foreign, when you come on the live and you say all of this, when you say the woman a scammer, when you say the woman do this, the woman do that. And the woman now look on you. The woman know you from nowhere. But that's all no good for do. For all long. For all long I do this thing here. For all long the feel say when I get to with that thing here. God now sleep and God know everything at all what go on. See me? And everything when I do, it's just a matter of time. Yeah man, it's a matter of time. See me, my plank boss go on with the faith. And I said before, big up to everyone who supported the fish fry. See me, big up to Mr. Otian. Big up to the real people that are on social media. They know say yo, you're not cause a problem. We know say yo, you're not doing at all you must do. You see me? Because of an idea still. We have to have love in our heart. You see me I say? And we have to have positive motivation towards anyone to make it in life. But Lorraine, every day are the same thing. Boy, yo boy, Lorraine. Sometimes I wonder if you have a life. Because you look like you have none. You can't obsess with one woman, so. Go and obsess with your daughter, your son. and your husband. You see me? Show them all your attention and stop waste time on social media. But guys, me gonna leave on, you know. The best up as usual. Rock and come in next time and make me know what you think about the drama you on social media, because really and truly, Lorraine will lose it. Jaja.